got a quick and easy recipe for some delicious kale. Stick around. Roll that intro. Hi all, Keith here. Welcome to the video. Before we get too far, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Alright, in this one, we're going to make some delicious kale. Now, I know some of you might be a little apprehensive, but trust me, this one's delicious. You got to give it a shot. Okay, real fast, here's all you're going to need. Just a pound of chopped and washed kale, 1 medium onion cut up, approximately 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 32 ounces of low sodium chicken broth. So the first step is to melt 2 tablespoons of bacon grease in your pot. But don't go much over 2 tablespoons of bacon grease here because you don't want it to be too greasy. You just want that nice bacon flavor in there. So once your bacon grease gets a little bit warmer, you can go ahead and stick in your onions, and you want to cook them until they get translucent. Okay, so as you can see, they're getting to be a nice golden brown, and that's about where you want them. What we're going to do now is add our garlic. Like I said before, we put 2 cloves of garlic in, and you just want to leave it in here for just maybe a minute, maybe 2. You don't want the garlic to get too done, and then we'll put our kale and our broth in. All right, now I know what you're thinking here, that this is a ton of kale, but trust me, a pound of kale cooks way down. So we got our chicken broth in there, and what we're gonna do is warm the chicken broth up to boiling and then put the lid on for 5 minutes. So it started boiling, and so we put the lid on for 5 minutes, and then we'll remove the lid and reduce the heat to medium and just let it cook on there for 30 to 45 minutes. We find this kale goes good with things like fried chicken or pork chops, and tonight we're making some fried chicken with it. If you want to know Chrissy's secret recipe or watch us make some fried chicken, drop us a comment down there below and we'll make you some fried chicken too. All right, now here's the end result after they've been cooking them down for about 45 minutes now. You can always give it a little sample right now, see if they're tender enough for you, but that's usually where we go, about 45 minutes. Then the last thing you do is just a little, like a pinch of salt and pepper to taste, and you're good to go. All right, and here's my dinner. I'm gonna dig in. Got some mashed potatoes, chicken, and our kale. Yummy! All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you hang out for just a little bit longer because we'll have some end cards with some video suggestions, and we'd love it if you'd watch another video for us. If you're interested in becoming a member of the channel, click the join button below. There's lots of great benefits, and we'd love to have you. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And if you like what we're doing here, you can also head over to our Ko-fi page. It's just a way to drop us like a virtual tip to say, hey, thank you for putting out these videos. All right, everyone, we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace and love.